Question 12. Solve 1 over 3 into bracket 5 minus 3x, close bracket, less than 2 over 5, open bracket, 3 minus 7x, close bracket. Now we are going to solve that as a normal equation until when you have to check what is happening with the less than sign here. So right now, the first thing we should do is open up this bracket. So we are going to use this and multiply this, and then use this and multiply this. So that becomes 5 over 3 minus 1 over 3 times 3x is what? 3 over 3x. I hope you understand. I use 1 over 3 to multiply 5. 5 stays on top over 3. The same thing is done here. Now that bracket is out. Less than, the same thing, 2 over 5 times 3 is going to give us 6 over 5 minus 2 times 7 is 14 over 5, and our x is here. The next thing I want to do is collect like terms. I'm going to bring this x over here. This is already minus 3x. When this minus 14x over 5 comes over here, it's going to be what? Plus. So since it's going to be plus, let me make it begin my equation. Over 5 minus, this is 1. I can decide to use, okay, let's just stick to 3 over 3. But that is 1, actually. It could be x. That should be x. But let's just stick to it. So we have our 6 over 5 here. And this one is coming over here to subtract. Right? Sorry, that's 3. This 5 comes over here to becomes minus 5 over 3. All we need to do is find the LCM here and solve, and find the LCM here and solve. They are both 5 and 3, so it's 15. Of course, this is also 15. So 5 into 15, 3 times 14 is 42. So we have 42x. The minus sign here. 3 into 15 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15x. You deal with the number and then the x still stays where it was. Our sign stays where it is. 5 into 15, 3 times 6 is 18. Minus 3 into 5 into 15 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. You can solve this, right? So 42 minus 15 is what? That is 27x over 15. And 18 minus 25, that's going to give us a minus sign. So you subtract 25 minus 18, that's 7. Sign of a bigger number is minus, so that's minus 7 over 15. Here we can reduce to lowest term, but here we can reduce it to lowest term. 3 into 27 is 9. Whereas 3 into 15 is 5. But since I see that something is going to happen here, I might not need to do that. Okay, sending 15 over here, I'm saying 15 is going to cancel, so I don't waste my time doing that. So I simply send 15 over here and 27 over here. So I'm left with x, right? So that's minus 7 over 15 times 15 over 27. You can just let them come over here and they become a reciprocal. Turn it upside down. So you have 15 cancelling out 15, and what are you left with? The entire numerator is minus 7 and the denominator is 27, and nothing can cancel. So that is the value of your x. Sorry, our sign is actually less than. So that is your answer. Notice nothing happened to the sign. The sign did not change. Please take note that the sign only changes when you are multiplying both sides by a negative number. If in the process of solving you have to multiply both sides, move negative number over here over to this side, and you have to multiply both sides by a negative number to remove the negative sign, that's when the sign changes. Or if you have to flip this up to this other side, x stays here, and this other side, the sign will change. And that is option D.